Good day everyone, so we're going to make a spoon with a given measurement here from a PBT5. So first we will make this second figure. Click new, then part. Then front plane for the second figure, then sketch. Select a 3-point arc, then this like that, and smart dimension the midpoint and the point here by 40, then this should be 40. Then select a 3-point arc again, then build it like this, and select a center line from the midpoint of this arc here. Select make this point and this point coincident. This center line should be horizontal. Then check. Select a 3-point arc and select it here. Then select. Then make the connections in tangent always. Then make this dimension by 500. This point and this point by 74. This point and this point by 35. Excuse, this point and this point by 119. Then we're going to measure A, B, and C sections by using center line. We place it randomly by here. And select, this should be like this, and for section B this should be like that. Then section C should be aligned to avoid confusing. Then a normal line from this point and at this point. Then make it construction geometry. Then dimensioning, keep this dimension as 76 from the given measurement, and this is 6, while this point up to this point is 111. Then it is underdefined. We need to trim the unnecessary entities. Sorry, my mouse is breaking entities, and that. Then it is not fully defined, so we will make it fully defined by using Ctrl A, then fully defined sketch. It is the same. There's no adding of dimension, just fully define it. Then this is the exact dimension of the figure 2. Then we will add an extension. And here, from here. The relation of this arc and this arc should be equal, and tangent. So we will just drag this to make it short. Here, drag, yeah, and let's give it a random measurement just to make it fully defined. It doesn't affect the whole entities. Then exit sketch. So we're going to make a plane of section A, B, and C. Making a plane should always have a right plane for the reference, and go to features and reference geometry and plane. For the section A, for the section B, the top point should always be clicked first. And for this last, Then make a plane here. Sketch. The first section H is 30. Here, 30. A to A. So we're going to make it 30 radius, and these 2 points should be vertical, and this point, select a point and point it on the midpoint like this. Then shift and shift it here and make them coincident, then check exit sketch. Then make this hide, and the section B to B measures radius as 10, so we're going to make it 10. Then this point and this point should be horizontal, and place a point here and select, shift again this one to this one, make it coincident. Then hide this, and plane 3 should be given an arc of section C to C, which is 40. So we're going to make it 40 as its radius. Then this 2 points should be vertical. Okay, then yes, then shift this to this point and make it coincident. Then check and exit sketch. Hide these 2 planes. Then for our reference of this point, we should add another plane here to this point and check, and this line to this point, then check. Then edit sketch here and place an arc measuring 30, the same as section A to A, and select, make this to vertical because there is vertical, so we're going to measure it by 30. This arc should be small as possible for the surfacing later. And check isometric it and hide. This should be small, yeah, like that. Just drag it and drag it, and edit sketch, then make an arc as usual. Then this should be measured 40, the same as letter C section, and make these 2 relation as horizontal, and select the point again and shift this point up to this point, and make it coincident and check and exit sketch, then hide the plane, then isometric it. This should be like that. Go to surface, and on the surface I'm going to place the surface of the spoon. Click it here, 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 and for the direction to click it this time, just like that. Then check. Look at this. Then for the first figure, we should use this one. We should start with top plane and sketch make a center line. Make a center line over here and make it 143.5. 143.5. Then select the 3-point arc here. It should be aligned to the center line as possible. Then select this point and this point. Make it midpoint and smart dimension this by 10. Then click these two endpoints, make them vertical. Then select dynamic mirror entities. If you don't have it, search it in the search commands. Click the mirror entities, click the center line and click the 3-point arc. Draw the head of the spoon similar as possible for us not to be confused later in dimensioning. Then click all the points by tangent. Yeah, then the dimensioning, this should be 6 and this should be 20 and this should be 40. Then we'll just drag it to make it not confusing. Dragging it doesn't affect any of the entities. And 3-point arc from this point to this point to make the handle of the spoon, make the tangent and check. Measure this by 600. Cancel it and drag it. Drag it, baby. Then smart dimension is at this point to this point by 18. And this point and this point by 50. And this point and this point by 7 according to the measurement. And let us remove the dynamic mirror entities and select 3-point arc from here to here. Then select like that. Then tangent the connections of the point and make this arc by 6. Then select, then shift this point and this point, make them coincident. They are fully defined. Then exit the sketch. We're going to trim it to make the spoon visible. So we have to trim the surface. Then this is the spoon. Just trim tool should be the sketch 7. This sketch 7. Then we will just drag our mouse here and click. And we have a spoon. Then remove the eye. Remove the eye. Remove the sketch 7. Hide it. And let us identify the thickness by clicking it, and the thickness should be 0.2 as stated here. There, 0.2. Then let's check. Yes, it is downward. Then check. And we're done. If you want to enhance your spoon, go to appearances and go metal and go to whatever you want. I want it to become shiny galvanized. Shiny galvanized. Look at it. We're done.